So with this app, you can use to record anything that shows up on your phone. So that means audio and video. So if you see over here, we have a bunch of different options that we can do. So if I turn this on, you can see me. So I'm using the mic that I covered in one of my other TikToks. And this is also really good for recording. So for this app, you can actually enable like a face cam. Definitely use it. You can also screenshot stuff. You can use the brush, which means you can draw on it. So like if I do this, if I just hit this, I can draw. And I can kind of highlight things, so you can do tons of reviews and stuff and highlight things while you're doing it, so there's no excuse to not make content. So if I exit out of this, you can do that. You know, it saves everything here. You can kind of mess around with stuff with the camera, so you can take screenshots. Over here you can edit your video, you can merge, all that stuff. There's a lot of different things you can do, so just make sure that you kind of go through all that. I'm not going to go through it here because we're trying to make this very quick. Here you can tweak all your settings to kind of do what you want. So internal mic and audio, and then also the external. So what I'm doing right now. So if you want to get something on screen and get the cool sound effect, then make sure you enable that. The video settings, the orientation even, and save stuff, all this other stuff you can do. Really stuff that you'd really want to mess around with if you're trying to make some cool content and make sure it's compressed and all really good stuff. Like, just make sure that you set up properly. So this is a really cool app that you can use. It's completely free. The only disadvantage that I found is that it exports and it has a watermark on the video. So just be aware of that. But otherwise, it's a really cool recorder. You get everything that you see. And I think it's amazing to use. So just use this and it'll be good. Thanks.